Well, here we go again. It's 32 degrees. You see the blackberry down there living large. Apple tree here living large. I wonder what kind it is. I don't have a label on it, but I only have three kinds. So let's see if we use process of elimination. This one here is Granny Smith. And this one here, let's see what this one is. This is the Honey Crisp. So that is the Fuji. And the Fuji has gotten larger, thick around the trunk than the, look at this. See how it's leaning to the side? It's a big tree though, but it's leaning to the side. I could correct that, but I could correct that. I think I will, because as long as it's young, I can correct it. It get massive, it's gonna go further in that direction. And then we got that's a pretty one there, sitting up straight. It's got a little sucker at the bottom of it. Gotta get rid of that. You always take care of the suckers before they get too big. Yeah, that's nice. Hope they produce some apples this year. I got a lot of spurs on them this year. They didn't have it last year. Look at that one back there. There's a lot of spurs. That's my water system over here. I always tell you all about that. It's about 100 gallons. All right. These are just regular cherry trees. I mean, not cherry, but yeah, this is a cherry tree. It is. Yep, this is a cherry tree. That's the peach tree. That's the Hellhaven peach tree. It always produces well. After the second year, they start producing, or 2.5 years, something like that. And I got five of those, excuse me, five of those peach trees. Boy, you cannot eat a whole bunch of peaches. And you see what I did here with the branches. I'm always telling people about it, and I say, well, you could make it neater than what I did here. I did not make it neat, so they're actually decaying from the time they put them in there. You can see these here. That's all leaves, and that was on the branches when they were cut off, and um, that's all wood. And look how fat around that tree is from eating that. Because it doesn't get any other kind of fertilizer really, other than that time when I did that injection. But other than that, no, just regular branches. And you can see I got my 3-in-1 right there. Got my 3-in-1. These are apple trees. And they're getting kind of tall. I should bring them back down. It's cold and they're still trying to grow tall. Here we go. We got collard greens in a container. Yep. Over here, some more. Some of these plants are really cold hardy. And they have a new variety out. I can't think of the name of it right now. That's kale, and it's more cold hardy than regular kale. So I'm definitely interested in those. I already put some to the side. I'm going to buy those seeds very soon, because they got them on sale now. You can find some of the seeds in some of the places on sale because they're trying to keep some money coming in, even though it's dead of winter. And this is the main garden. It's the main garden. All up in the back there is shaded area once you know time of the year comes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up and plant everywhere I can get some space to plant something. Really fill it up this year. This year I'm not gonna do anything with this over here. I'm gonna cut up down all the dead weeds that you see there, and just clean up and keep the environment healthy for the blueberries. All right, this is the morning garden. Let's take another look at the main garden. That's gonna be full this year. Yeah, that's nice. All right.